In this video, I will show you how to sell Trust Wallet TWT tokens. First, open your Play Store or Apple Store and search Trust. Download the Trust app on your mobile phone and open it. Log into your account or sign up by adding your credentials. Search TWT on the search bar in the home screen of Trust Wallet. Tap on TWT and you can buy TWT here. Go to the browser at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the search bar and type Exchange or PancakeSwap. Tap on the PancakeSwap and web page will open. Scroll down and tap on Select a Currency and select a token. Search TWT on the search bar and tap on Import. Tap on the I understand option and then the import option. It will scan risks. Tap on Cake and search BNB. Tap on Import and then select the I understand option. Tap on Import and add amounts in both sections. The website will scan the risks. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Trust. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.